Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use lens flares and light leaks in CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select your video. Then add effects and tap on video effect. Now if you search light option, then you guys will find out this option. Tap on here and adjust it. After adding this luminance effect, add another effect and then search light again. This time add leak 2. Then you guys will find out the result like this, and here you have to adjust the speed. Now extend it like the previous effect. Now watch your video. By adding this 2 effect, you guys will find out this lens flares and light leaks effect in your video. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.